Have you ever seen a place so strange, so otherworldly, that it felt like you'd stepped into a dream? What if I told you these dreamscapes are real? Places where the ground is a mirror stretching to the horizon, where mountains are painted in rainbow stripes, and where trees look like they've been plucked from an alien planet. These aren't scenes from a sci-fi movie. They're real locations on our own planet, hiding in plain sight. In the next 10 minutes, we're going on a journey to the most surreal landscapes on Earth. We'll uncover the secrets behind their bizarre beauty and show you exactly where to find them. Forget everything you thought you knew about nature. The world is far stranger and more wonderful than you can imagine. Let's start our adventure in South America at the Salar de Uyuni in Bolivia. Imagine a salt flat so vast and so perfectly flat that when it rains, it transforms into the world's largest mirror. Spanning over 10,000 square kilometers, this prehistoric lakebed becomes an endless reflective surface. During the day, the sky and clouds are mirrored so perfectly that the horizon disappears. You feel like you're walking on clouds, floating in an infinite blue and white expanse. It's a photographer's paradise, a place where you can play with perspective and create mind-bending images that seem to defy gravity. At night, the show gets even better. The salt flat becomes a celestial theater, reflecting the Milky Way and countless stars, making you feel like you're adrift in the cosmos. The sheer scale and perfect reflection create a profound sense of peace and wonder. How did this natural marvel form? It's the remnant of a massive prehistoric lake that evaporated, leaving behind a thick crust of salt rich in lithium, a resource that's ironically powering our modern world. Next, we travel to a place that looks like it has been hand-painted by a giant, the Zhanjiang National Geopark in China. Also known as the Rainbow Mountains, this is a geological spectacle unlike any other. Over millions of years, layers of different colored sandstone and minerals were pressed together and then buckled by tectonic plates. Wind and rain then carved this geological layer cake into a series of rolling hills and dramatic peaks. The result is a landscape streaked with vibrant shades of red, yellow, green, and blue. Walking through the park feels like wandering through a massive, abstract painting. The colors change with the light, becoming most intense during sunrise and sunset. It's a powerful reminder of the artistic force of nature, a slow, patient process that creates beauty on a monumental scale. These mountains aren't just beautiful. They're a history book written in stone, telling a story of Earth's dynamic past. From the painted mountains of China, we journey to the otherworldly island of Socotra, off the coast of Yemen. This place is often called the Galapagos of the Indian Ocean, and for good reason. Isolated for millions of years, its flora and fauna have evolved into forms found nowhere else on Earth. The most iconic resident is the dragon's blood tree. With its dense, umbrella-shaped canopy and thick, gnarled trunk, it looks like something straight out of a fantasy novel. When you cut its bark, it oozes a crimson red sap, which gives the tree its name and has been used for centuries as medicine and dye. But that's not all. Socotra is also home to the bizarre bottle tree, with a swollen water-storing trunk and delicate pink flowers blooming at its top. The entire landscape feels alien, a lost world preserved in time. Exploring Socotra is like visiting another planet without ever leaving our own. Now, let's dive into the crystal caves of Mexico. Deep beneath the Naka Mine in Chihuahua lies a cavern filled with some of the largest natural crystals ever discovered. The Cave of Crystals is a subterranean wonderland. Imagine a chamber lined with massive, milky white gypsum beams, some stretching up to 11 meters long and weighing over 50 tons. The temperature inside hovers around a sweltering 58 degrees Celsius with nearly 100% humidity, making it one of the most hostile environments for humans. It can only be explored for short periods with specialized suits. These gigantic crystals grew undisturbed for 500,000 years in mineral-rich water, heated by magma deep below. When miners pumped the water out, this magical grotto was revealed. It's a breathtaking and dangerous glimpse into the hidden geological processes that shape our world from within. From the depths of the earth, let's fly to the skies of Turkey. Cappadocia is a region famous for its fairy chimneys, tall, cone-shaped rock formations clustered in valleys. These strange structures were formed by volcanic eruptions that covered the land in a thick layer of soft rock called tuff. Over eons, wind and water eroded the softer rock, leaving behind harder basalt caps on top of these conical pillars. But what makes Cappadocia truly surreal is how humans have interacted with this landscape. For centuries, people have carved homes, churches, and even entire underground cities into the soft rock. The result is a landscape dotted with rock-hewn dwellings that blend seamlessly with the natural formations. The most magical way to experience it is from a hot air balloon at sunrise. As hundreds of balloons lift into the morning sky, you get a panoramic view of this honeycomb landscape, glowing in the soft, golden light. It's a fairy tale scene brought to life. Let us head to a place where desert meets the sea in the most dramatic fashion, the Namib Desert in Namibia. Here you'll find some of the tallest sand dunes in the world, towering hundreds of meters high. These are not your typical golden dunes. They are deep burnt orange and fiery red, colored by iron oxide. They march relentlessly towards the Atlantic Ocean, creating the iconic skeleton coast where the desert literally falls into the sea. The contrast between the arid red dunes and the cold, blue waters of the Atlantic is stunning and surreal. One of the famous spots is defy, a white clay pan surrounded by colossal red dunes. Here, the skeletal remains of camelthorn trees, dead for over 900 years, stand frozen in time. The dry climate has prevented them from decomposing, creating a stark, hauntingly beautiful scene that feels like a Salvador Dali painting come to life. Our next stop takes us to the land of ice and fire, Iceland. This volcanic island is a treasure trove of surreal landscapes. We could talk about the glaciers, the volcanoes, or the northern lights, but let's focus on the Kolsdalung Glacier Lagoon. Here, huge icebergs break off from a nearby glacier and float in a tranquil lagoon before drifting out to sea. These icebergs come in all shapes and sizes, shimmering in shades of white, brilliant blue, and even black from volcanic ash. Seals often play among the ice floes, adding to the enchanting atmosphere. The icebergs eventually wash ashore on a nearby black sand beach, now famously known as Diamond Beach. The chunks of ice glitter like diamonds against the dark volcanic sand, creating a scene of incredible, fleeting beauty. It's a dynamic landscape, constantly changing as the ice melts, and new bergs arrive, offering a different, yet equally magical experience every time you visit. Let's travel down under to see a lake that defies expectations, Lake Hillier in Western Australia. From above, it looks like a giant pool of bubblegum pink water, right next to the deep blue of the Southern Ocean. Separated only by a thin strip of sand and forest, the contrast is absolutely jaw-dropping. Unlike other pink lakes that change color with the temperature, Lake Hillier's vibrant pink hue is permanent. Even if you bottle the water, it stays pink. Scientists believe the color comes from a specific type of microalgae called Dunaliella salina, which produces a red pigment to absorb sunlight. The lake is extremely salty, creating the perfect environment for these tiny organisms to thrive. While you can't swim in it due to its protected status, seeing this natural wonder from a helicopter is an unforgettable experience. It's a beautiful anomaly, a splash of vibrant color in the vast Australian wilderness. Finally, we go to a place that looks like a giant staircase, the Pamukkale thermal pools in Turkey. The name means cotton castle in Turkish, and it's easy to see why. For thousands of years, hot, mineral-rich water has flowed down a mountainside. As the water cools, it deposits brilliant white calcium, forming a series of terraced basins known as travertines. These gleaming white terraces are filled with turquoise water, creating a stunning visual cascade. It looks like a frozen waterfall or a castle made of clouds. People have bathed in these therapeutic waters since Roman times, and the ruins of the ancient city of Hierapolis sit right at the top of this natural wonder. Walking barefoot through the warm, shallow pools with the white, textured ground beneath your feet is a unique sensory experience. It's a place where geology, history, and natural beauty converge in a truly surreal and breathtaking way. Our world is a gallery of natural masterpieces, filled with sights that challenge our perception of reality. From the mirrored skies of Bolivia to the pink waters of Australia, these surreal landscapes remind us that the Earth is full of mystery and magic. They are not just beautiful places to visit. They are powerful testaments to the incredible geological and biological forces that have shaped our planet over millions of years. They inspire awe, spark our curiosity, and encourage us to look at the world with fresh eyes. So, the next time you're dreaming of an alien world, remember that you might just find it right here on Earth. Which of these surreal landscapes would you want to visit first? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more adventures into the amazing and the unknown. See you next time.